Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do something like very exciting and which I always wanted to do at home. So today we are going to create some stickers which we don't have to print it and we don't have to have like drawing skills or something. Let me show you like what exactly I've done. So these are some of my stickers which I have done, and these I have done without printer. So this could be very exciting and this looks like very good and very cute actually. So without wasting the time, I think we can start with the video and let's go. So guys, firstly we will take the measurements of like how many centimeters I want this sticker. So I'll be creating 3 centimeter boxes onto a tracing paper. On these boxes I'll be tracing the stickers from my iPad. You can do it from your mobile also. So over here I am marking 3 centimeters for each boxes. So you can create as per your convenience. So now I created the boxes of 3 centimeters each. So now this is the first stickers which I want to trace, and you can do it from your mobile also. So it is very easy, and this is for someone who don't know how to draw, so they can trace it from mobile also. So in this way we will trace all these stickers whichever you want to. So this is the sticker paper on which I'll be doing the tracing. So my tracing is almost done. Now this I have to trace it on my sticker paper. तो उसके पहले we have to scribble the back side of the tracing paper, जिसके help से when you will trace on the sticker paper, it will be get printed on the sticker paper. So let me show you what exactly we have to do. Once the scribbling is done, you have to keep on the sticker paper and then you have to trace it. You have to press it as much as you can, so the whatever sketch you have to do, it would be get traced on the sticker paper. So you have to trace them all, and this is how it will look once the tracing is done. So now you have to do the outlining. I'm doing the outline before because I'll be using the pencil colors. You can do it as per your convenience, like you can use any of the colors, and if you're using any of the watercolor or poster color, do the outline at the last. So just because I'm using pencil color, I'll be doing the outlining first. So we'll outline these all. So once the outlining is done, make sure you are doing 1.5 centimeters outline with a pencil. I'm using my Staedtler colors over here, and you can do it as per your convenience, as I said. take your time to color it well. Don't be into rush and complete the coloring as you want. So my coloring is done over here. So now this is a sticker paper, it has a stick behind. So now we'll add some glossy effect by adding a sellotape on top of this, which would give you a glossy effect, as well as this won't spoil your sticker. It will protect your sticker from any of the water or something. So this is how it looks. So we'll be adding sellotape to each of these stickers. Once this is done, we'll cut these on the outline which we did with the help of pencil. We'll be sticking this onto the laptop now. I hope you guys liked this video and you will definitely try this at your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And for now, enjoy the review.